Two triangles are said to be similar if they are the same shape. They need not be the same size. If they are also the same size, they are said to be congruent. If two triangles have the same shape, then their angles will be the same. Here we can see two triangles. Both have a 110-degree angle, a 27-degree angle, and a 43-degree angle. It follows that these two triangles are similar. There are other ways of knowing whether two triangles are similar. Two triangles are similar if we know they have an equal angle and the sides which include the angle are in proportion. Here we have an angle and we know the sides that include the angle. That's the sides either side of the angle. If we look here, we have a 4 centimeter side and an 8 centimeter side. 4 to 8 cancels down to 1 to 2. Then we have a 7 centimeter side and a 14 centimeter side, and 7 to 14 also cancels to 1 to 2. Since the proportion is the same, these two triangles are similar. This side here would correspond to this one, and this side here would correspond to this one. Another way we can tell if two triangles are similar is that two triangles are similar if all of their sides are in proportion. Consider this 4 centimeter side and the 8 centimeter side. This is a ratio 1 to 2. 7 and 14 is also a ratio 1 to 2. And 9 to 18 is also 1 to 2. Since the sides are in proportion, the two triangles are similar. Let's look at corresponding sides, as that's very often important in doing questions. This side corresponds to this one. This side corresponds to this one. And this side corresponds to this one. The clue to doing questions on similar triangles is that if two triangles are similar, then since we know that they are the same shape, it follows that one is simply an enlargement of the other. If we can find the scale factor of the enlargement, any questions should be straightforward.